In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to achieve a blanket stitch. So here I've got a piece of felt, I've got 6 strands of embroidery floss threaded on a needle with a knot tied in the end. To get started, we just need to make an anchor stitch. So I'm going to take the needle and we are going to thread that through the back piece of the material and pull it through. And this will help hide the knot in the centre. Now we're going to line up the fabric and we are going to push through both pieces of fabric in roughly the same place as where the first stitch was. And as we can see, when we've got a loop, the embroidery floss is through the loop, and that is going to make our anchor stitch. Now for our next stitch, we're going to go through the back, just a short distance away from the first stitch, and then we are going to pull the embroidery floss through. Again, we're going to leave a little loop, and then we're going to push the needle through the loop and continue to pull the thread. We don't want to pull it too tight, and that has made our first stitch, and we're just going to repeat that again, coming through the back. Going to pull the thread, we're going to take the needle and we're going to thread that through the loop and pull the thread, and then as we can see, it's making a lovely stitch that's going to bind together the 2 pieces of material. And all we're going to do now is we're going to keep repeating this process all the way along the material until we've reached the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.